In this lesson of organizational theory and behavior, we are going to look at section 8.4 titled Employee Involvement and Participation. What is employee involvement and participation? Well, employee involvement and participation is a process that uses employees' input to increase their commitment to organizational success. Essentially, what this means is the more involved an employee gets in its work firm, the more dedicated that employee is going to be when it comes to performance. Essentially, they're going to feel more involved. They're going to feel like they have more of a voice. They're going to feel like they have some responsibility as well as leadership. This can benefit organizations tremendously due to the production factor that employees will have on their during their workdays. Many employees feel better and more motivated when they have more of an input on an organization versus just listening and doing what they're told. Organizations also can get better ideas for moving forward, new ideas for productivity, as well as, revenue and all that stuff due to other views from the outside on what that organization can do better or what they need to do in order to be better. There are different types of examples of employee involvement, such as participative management, which is a process in which subordinates share a significant degree of decision-making power with their immediate superiors, as well as representative participation, which is a system in which employees participate in organizational decision-making through a small group of representative employees. Essentially, these two can go hand in hand, but what it comes down to is employees feel that they are more appreciated, and they tend to work harder the more involved they are with the final decision-making process that goes on at work, as well as ideas that can come into play during this. I know firsthand that if it was me, I would rather have a voice in the work area versus doing what I'm told. I would feel more involved, and as I said prior to this, I think that many people tend to step up during their jobs due to the fact that they feel like they have this weight on their shoulders and everybody's watching them, so they feel like they have this sort of leadership when it comes to involvement and employee decision making.